In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your location in Google Chrome. You can see the browser currently detects my real location, but we're going to switch it easily. First, open a new tab and go to the Chrome Web Store by visiting chromewebstore.google.com. Once the page loads, use the search bar and type Location Guard v3. Make sure you include the v3 because other versions you'll see won't work properly. When you find the correct extension, click Add to Chrome, then confirm by selecting Add Extension. Chrome will automatically download and install it in the background. After it finishes installing, click the extension's icon at the top right of Chrome, look for Location Guard v3, and pin it so it's always visible in your toolbar. Now, click the extension and open Options. To change where websites think you are, adjust the default level to use Fixed Location. Then switch to the Fixed Location tab. You'll now see a map. Zoom out and drag around until you choose the city or country you want to appear from. For example, I'll select New York on the map and drop the location marker there. Next, open a new browser tab and search "What's my current location?" or refresh an existing location checking page. Scroll down until you see the option to update location and click it. After a moment, the website will refresh and show your new spoofed location. As you can see, the browser now detects Brooklyn, New York, which means the location change worked successfully in Google Chrome. And that's it. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more useful tips, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below.